We're at the beach, the eastern end of the bird sanctuary that hooks up behind the campground, and is a popular spot for campers. It's very close to the east end, Fort Gaines, across from the boat ramps. Lots of new growth. There's lots of smaller pine trees, and you can see this is what the prescribed burner will look like within 3 or 4 months. It'll come back like this. It'll be all new green growth, mostly native species. That's pretty much what we've always done that. If we have to come in here and do something, we try and do all the nailing by hand instead of bringing in a generator and a nail gun. And try not to do anything very much in here at all during the prime birding season.